In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency symbol in a Monday.com board. If you're working with budgets, pricing, sales figures, or any kind of financial tracking inside Monday.com, making sure the correct currency is displayed is really important. Using the right currency symbol helps avoid confusion and keeps your board clear and professional, especially if you're sharing it with teammates or clients. The good news is that updating it is very simple, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open the Monday.com board that contains the currency column you want to update. This is the board where your amounts or financial values are already being tracked. Once you're inside the correct board, locate the column that is currently showing the currency or number values you want to change. Next, click the menu for that currency or numbers column. This is usually found in the column header area, and opening it will give you access to the settings for that specific column. If you don't immediately see the option you need, take a second to look through the menu carefully because Monday.com groups several column options together in this area. From that menu, open the column settings. This is where you can adjust how the column behaves and how the information is displayed. Inside the settings, look for the option related to the currency symbol or unit. Depending on the type of column you're using, the wording may vary slightly, but it should clearly refer to the symbol or format used for the values in that column. Once you find that option, choose the currency you want to use. Be careful to select the correct one, especially if multiple currencies use similar symbols. This small detail can make a big difference when reading reports or entering future values. After selecting the correct currency, save the column settings. Saving is important because without that final step, your changes may not be applied to the board. Finally, check the column to confirm that the amounts now display the correct currency. This quick review helps make sure everything updated properly and that your board is now showing the financial information the way you want. And that's it. Once you've updated the currency symbol, your board will be easier to read and much more accurate for anyone using it.